Robert Moses State Park Beach is a gem among the best beaches on Long Island. Known for its pristine shoreline, this family-friendly destination in New York offers something for everyone. Whether you're planning a relaxing beach day at Robert Moses, New York, or an adventurous outing, this park is a top choice. There are endless things to do at Robert Moses State Park. Surfing enthusiasts flock to the waves, while nature lovers enjoy exploring the Robert Moses State Park nature trails. Families can take advantage of the wide, sandy beach, perfect for picnics and sunbathing. For a seamless visit, here are some Robert Moses State Park parking tips. Arrive early during peak summer months to secure a spot, as the lots fill up quickly. If you're into photography or videography, consider capturing breathtaking Robert Moses State Park drone footage. Looking for more? Beach camping options near the park make it easy to extend your stay. With its stunning views and diverse activities, Robert Moses State Park Beach is a must-see on your Long Island adventure. There's more video you can continue to watch. As you do, let me tell you there are hundreds of other travel videos on this vlog, and I hope you'll take a look at some of them. I also want to invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified when we upload something new. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.